Hi, I'm Jackie, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through the essentials of creating an online course. And then, if you're ready to dive deeper, I'll give you a sneak peek into the course I'm offering for free on how to create and sell an online course in 10 days. So, would you love to get new leads and sales on autopilot? Hopefully, you're here because that's your goal. And if you think about it, courses are definitely the way to go. So I'm going to look at the stats first. The e-learning market is expected to grow by $309 million from 2024 to 2028. So that's only 4 years. And if you even think that your course topic has already saturated the market, please ignore that voice in your head and just go for it. Creating an online course is a powerful way to reach more people, build passive income, and establish yourself as an expert in your field. But I hear you say that's not easy. The problem is you can't quite work out how to put it all together and then do the tech stuff so that you can show it off and sell it to your customers. So, what I'm going to do over the next few minutes is to give you an overview of how to create an engaging online course that sells, covering why you should consider creating an online course and giving you the 5 steps to creating a successful online course. So, why should you consider creating an online course? Online courses are a natural fit for small businesses, health professionals, and coaches. People are increasingly looking to improve their health, their fitness, mindfulness, and also just general knowledge, such as, say photography, arts and crafts, etc., crochet from the comfort of their own homes. So here's why creating a course could be the next best step for your business. You can reach more clients, you can extend your impact beyond one-on-one sessions or in-person classes, reaching students worldwide, which is something we never would have been able to do years ago. You can generate passive income. So passive income is basically income that you're earning whilst you're doing other things. You're out with your kids, or you're on a walk, or you're sleeping. And then once your course is set up, it can provide ongoing income without requiring your sort of constant time. You can grow your brand and expertise. So offering a structured course can establish you as a thought leader in your field, leading to more clients and collaborations, and possibly even speaking opportunities. So before I go into the 5 steps of creating a successful online course, if you're ready to dive in and start the creation process now, just take my link below in the description and all my comments, and I'll see you on the other side. Okay, so moving on. The 5 steps to creating a successful online course. So creating an online course can feel overwhelming, but breaking it down into clear steps makes the process more manageable and rewarding. So here's a quick overview. 1, choose your topic, obviously. Start by identifying a specific problem or goal that your audience has. So, for example, I'm also a part-time Pilates instructor. So your course might focus on a 10-day course for beginners to get them up to speed so they could join your ongoing online courses or in-person classes. So you could offer it as a lead magnet, so it's for free, or you could sell it at a lower price to bring people in. So, and number 2, outline your content. So again, so sketch everything out. Sketch out the key topics and the lessons that you want to cover. And think about structuring it so that each module builds on the last, making the journey enjoyable and easy to follow. Number 3, create engaging materials. So consider using videos or handouts and quizzes to keep the students engaged rather than just one format. And simple tools that you've already got, such as your smartphone camera, can be used for video. You can also get a free limited account with Canva to design worksheets and infographics. And you could also offer online quizzes. This can make such a big difference in student engagement. Next, number 4, set up your course online. So there are many user-friendly platforms out there. I particularly use System.io, and that's the tool that I will recommend in the course. And these platforms generally allow you to organise, market, and sell your course without needing technical expertise. And what you're looking for really is a software that is quite easy to use, and also the support from somebody to help you get comfortable with that platform. So number 5, launch and market your course. Once your course is ready, you really need to spread the word and build your audience. And you can do this through social media, email marketing, great one, YouTube, even better, and your website blog. If these steps feel like a lot to take on at the moment, don't worry. I've created a comprehensive free course to walk you through each phase of creating your first online course. It's tailored specifically for small businesses, health pros, and coaches. So if you're ready to dive deeper, please take my link below in the description. Or if you'd like to know more about what my course offers, then here's the info. So in this free 10-day course, you'll receive an email each day containing a short video guiding you through each stage of the course. You'll learn how to plan and outline the course, and then moving on to practical lessons in video format to support you in building the course. You'll also get worksheets and templates that you can fill in to simplify course creation. And you'll also get step-by-step guidance via video on using tools such as System.io to set up your course quickly. And you'll get my support. And the bonus is I've put together a detailed guidebook on how to plan and create an online course. And that's really if you're looking for more detail. It's over 20 pages. And that's if you're looking for more comprehensive detail, you can have the link for that for free too. So it's all for free. Creating your first course is entirely achievable. And with this course, you'll have everything you need to get started and set up. So sign up today and take the next step into building a course that will expand your business and make a positive impact. So are you ready to get started? Then take the link below in the description and I'll see you on the other side.